Play fake. Young goes deep middle. He's got Jerry Rice. Touchdown 49ers!
Right now. Congratulations, 49ers. Super Bowl bound.
Rice has just set a Super Bowl record. The game is over. San Francisco has won Super Bowl 23. Jerry Rice. And also an open up.
Oh, man!
There it is. After the bounce. Crazy loyal Bay Area fans. NBA champions.
Yo YouTube, what is good? I'm your guy Rez, and we are back again, of course, you already know, with another jersey video. Welcome. So today's jersey that I'm going to be featuring in this video today is the one that I'm currently wearing. This one right here, guys, is the Jordan brand, not Nike or whatever, vice versa. I personally think that they're the same thing. I mean, Nike, Jordan brand, but if you want to get technical, Jordan brand Warriors Statement Edition Steph Curry jersey Swingman, as you can see that I'm wearing right here, and I really like this jersey. So just a quick disclaimer, if I say Nike throughout the video, because I know there's probably going to be somebody out there that's going to be like, no, that's a Jordan brand jersey. I apologize. Personally, for me, my opinion, I think that, you know, Jordan brand and Nike are pretty much the same thing. But that's just my opinion. Some people might feel some type of way, but just letting you guys know ahead of time. So this jersey that I am wearing right now is currently dubbed as the Steph Curry 62-point career high jersey. You know, there's just so many different nicknames with it. I call this the lemonade jersey just because it's so bright with this freaking lemon yellow, as you can see that I'm wearing, but I like it. You know, I really like the colors. They pop so much. I think this is a really good jersey to wear in the summer. It is definitely a summer jersey, and it's a basketball jersey. You know, wear this out in the sun. I love wearing basketball jerseys during the summertime. But I'm gonna break down the jerseys, details, and components for y'all. You have the bay right there, and you have this like large graphic that is pressed on, guys, on the jersey. Yes, it is not stitched. I know that Nike and I think a couple of other brands like Fanatics and stuff, they've been holding out on this as of late. I think it's from like a cost perspective. Honestly, I'm not too big of a fan of it, you know what I mean, because with there being no stitching and just the graphics being pressed on, you do take that risk of getting the jersey to kind of peel, you know, so to speak. So I highly recommend that when you are caring for your jerseys, specifically the Swingmans, be very gentle when you clean it. I would highly recommend hand washing it or just taking it to a dry cleaner to provide that special care, because I can almost guarantee you that if you throw this in the washer and in the dryer, you know, and you set your dryer and washer, you know, on high, like this graphic may potentially peel off. So just be aware of that. Something newer, I know like a lot of the older stuff like the Swingmans made by Reebok and Adidas, and even the older Nike stuff were single stitched at least. So, you know, there was definitely more longevity with those jerseys, and it sucks, you know, because like these jerseys right here, they're really nice, but again, with no stitching, you got to be very careful. One thing that I am a fan of now with today's like statement edition jerseys that not just the Warriors but just the NBA in general are doing now is having the Jumpman logo right there. You know, I think it's pretty dope how they did that, you know, and then of course you have the sponsor patch right here. These sponsor patches, you can only get them, I believe, if you buy the jerseys from the team store. So if you want like a Dallas Mavericks chime patch, which is their sponsor, you got to buy it from the Dallas Mavericks team store. Warriors, you know, you got to go to Chase Center or the Warrior shop online, and you know, you get my drift. The sponsor patch on the Swingmans, guys, are not stitched. They're actually heat pressed just like the graphics and numbers on the jersey, so just be mindful of that. And then of course this Jumpman right here, it appears to be pressed on as well. It doesn't look like it is stitched. On the back of the jersey, you have the Jerry West logo that is printed onto the jersey's fabrics. Then you also have that beautiful number 30 with Curry's last name on the back. Again, guys, there is no stitching involved with the numbers or letters on the Swingmans for Nike currently. The jersey also features that nice blue trim, as you can see right there, and then, you know, the neck collar of the jerseys now, they kind of got like this V-neck style. It's interesting because I hear a lot of mixed reviews about people saying that they don't like this like type of cut now with the neck styles, and they, you know, prefer the older look. For me, it doesn't bother me too much, you know. Obviously I never really noticed it too much until really just looking at it and hearing your guys' comments. But you do have this like white trim followed with that blue that just kind of like had that V style, as you can see right there as it goes towards my chest. On the side panels of the jersey, you do have the white along with the blue trim right there. As you can see, the blue trim appears to be a different fabric, feels like a cloth material as opposed to the polyester recycled materials on the other portion of the jersey. Looking at the jock tag, we have the NBA Jerry West logo right there. This is a size 56, guys, which is equivalent to a XX. Be mindful, guys, like I said, these jerseys do run typically smaller and more slim on the chest area, just all around your body. I think it's a more fitted approach. I think that's what Nike's like vision is now moving forward with their current fits of the jerseys. But I always say this because I get a lot of questions about, yo, Rez, like I am this height and I weigh this much, what size do you think I should get? So it's a really tough question to answer. It's not all black and white. There's a lot of gray area involved, you know, depending on your build and just your preference on how you like to wear the jerseys. So, you know, for me, I kind of like my jerseys to run, you know, more relaxed fit, a little bit more loose. With the NBA jerseys, you know, I like them to be a little more fitted, on the more fitted side, but either or, I think you can't really go wrong. For me, I wear anything from a 52, which is an extra large, to a 56, which is a double X. I probably would have went with the 52 if the option was available, but it wasn't, unfortunately, because it sold out. So of course I jumped on the 2X, which is the 56, but it fits me fine, you know, as you can see. Overall, my final thoughts on the jersey, I love it. You know, this is a really nice look. You know, it's a fresh new look. I think these things with like Nike now doing like statement editions and city edition jerseys and just like a different jersey like every season and stuff, like I like that. You know, in the beginning, I wasn't so much of a fan of it because I was just like, man, you guys are like milking my wallet. You guys are taking me for all my money. But it's a business, and at the end of the day, the business got to make money, you know, and obviously you got to make money by making more designs and more sales. And I don't want to get into the whole business aspect of it, but Nike is obviously doing something right because, you know, I'm a fan of the Warriors, always was and always will be. And, you know, I was a fan of the whole new jersey approach. This one in particular, I'm happy with. You know, I like it. I got it for a pretty great price. And, you know, again, Steph Curry scored 62 points, a career high, wearing this bad boy jersey right here. Well, he's wearing the authentic, not the Swingman, but you get my drift. Anywho, guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my review on this piece right here. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about the new Nike jerseys, specifically the Swingmans. You know, do you guys like Swingmans? Do you guys think they're trash? I know they don't get as much love as authentics do from what I've seen, but again, you know, wear what you love, you know, whatever your wallet allows you to do. You know, I got love for all jerseys, but I would love to hear what you guys think regardless. All right, that's going to wrap up the video. Thank you guys again. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have already, you already know what's up. Thank you. Much appreciated, fams. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next one. All right, I'm out. Peace.